fix login error on Spirit Airlines. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. After that, if you're still facing any problems regarding your login, you want to simply go to your browser and here you want to type in Spirit Airlines. After that, you want to scroll down and tap on the official Spirit Airlines website. And here at the top right, you can see a sign in option over here. Simply tap on it. And if you type your email address over here and password over here, you'll be able to sign in into your account. However, if you are facing any other kinds of problem regarding, if you are facing problems while logging in on the application, you can simply uninstall the application and install it again. And if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.